The sunburst flowers calling on warm days over.
Richard Colson Baker hi April ni somni pani kumsang khazakwa somko a Houston, Texas, US a lo pianga. A stage name Machine Gun Kelly ti hian alar zoka anu le pate hi missionary ani awangin anaw panhun lai hi inson reng in hunan manga US chunga po Chicago, Denver, Cleveland ate an oma rampo na Egypt le Germany ate po an thina ni. Kumkwa ani in anu hiana chhuasana apanin chuan Denver an ta a an chung ka ge chha chu apa hiana twar zau cha lo nge ni apa chu depression na satak nei na oma na te po chu anei talawa MGK hi an then omno pangte chuan an mu sit pha thei hle a shiomati chuan music lama chuana Paul rukani in rap music lam hi alo ngai thla tan to a Anaw panlaya angai san zwal te chu Ludacris, DMX le Eminem te hi ani a middle school hi Hamilton Middle School Denver a kal thina he school a hian an bulin an musit na sa thin le hle a high school chu Denver's Thomas Jefferson High School a akala musit na chu ala chun zom zela hei wang hian shi omati thin hle a music le rap lama hian akala alunga inate in hnemnan amang thina ni apa in nathara ane awangin a umbau sanria high school atang hian drugs te po a khoi tanta a poi khoi sang thil ruk tele boina neu te po anei chho tana ma se music po luchil tanin high school akal lai hian demo tape stamp of approval chu a record ta She's closing up come to visit me she say that she the loneliest and it's hard to open up apa lo let le nu in Cleveland anin sona chuta chuan Shaker Heights High School a akala heta hian a music career chu in chanani anvenga t-shirt dor ni tu pa chu a manager turin a soma alo poma heti hun la hian a rap dance style awangin le a rap ran em awangin a fans te chuan Machine Gun Kelly ti hian phwa saka heming hi apulen ta nge a kumsang ni paruka alo record fel to stamp of approval mixtape to a release a ngai ven hlo ta zeka an khwa Cleveland hun sang ate chuan a perform chana kumsang ni pakwa a MTV2 Shaker Free Freestyle a chuan aron lang ve a chip of the block a single verse te chu freestyle in sa a he hian alar zwal tir hle a
around haters every day, but I guess
we got the shirt on.
Track. Bump that with a buck salmon and in the green. I'm a box like Apple Jacks. But I'm fat, sitting in a ride so foreign you can't understand. 16, give it a reason. I'ma text me if you can. Speak any Ebonics, never care what Mr. Webster said. Let us mark her. But I will run with them, and the Eastside Jag got love for them. Anybody wanna hate on me, they get on my level, but you will never ever. So I got scrubs for them. Yeah.
Kumsang ni som February tha a mixtape panina 100 words and writing ti chu a release le a heti lai hian high school a graduate ve boka mase ama hi alawm thadu chalo nen apai na hnot chuaka alar tan le ama se shefole a tho angaya a tho na hi restaurant ang hi ania inlo aman na tum malo ngai to a chubaka a tho na chuan ei tura thlonin an dong thei bokani hemi kumbor vel tho hian ina omna tur nei lote na oma heroin addict alo ni boka kumni borvel chu hetiang edik khian oma rehapa te po om no in akal san thei ta shama kumsang ni somme tha chuan a mixtape thar lace up ti chu a release li a mixtape release te awang hian shata hlo zela label pa ngai ni turin contract a muta a kumsang ni som pakhat march tha chuan bad boy le Interscope Records nen contract an sign ta a March ni somni kumsang ni som pania a EP Masaber Half Naked and Almost Famous ti chu a release a Billboard 200 ta number somli parukna a aron oma kumsang ni som pani October a chuan a label noya debut album Lace Up ti chu a release a Billboard 200 ta number 4 ron ni phahiala hi album mi a lead single Wild Boy ti chu Billboard Hot 100 ta somkwa pariat na aron oma RIAA chuan gold certified boka hi album hi a shal nim le ani kumsang ni sompanga a album panina General Admission ti chu a release le a Billboard 200 ta number 4 ron ni pha a Billboard R&B hip hop album a number 1 ani bokani kumsang ni som pasaria a studio album pathumna Bloom chu me ni som pahnia a release le a he album a single Bad Things a hit hlea Camila Cabello ne na anti dun ni in Billboard Hot 100 a number 4 aron ni a an pani veveta na an hla single anga Billboard Hot 100 a top 10 an kain masaber hla alo ni bokani.
You can't explain it. What can I say? It's complicated.
September ni som ni pakhat kumsang ni som pariata Epithar Beans ti chu a release le a Billboard 200 a number som ni pali na lai ani le ani. Kumsang ni som pakwa April a album thar tur chu Billboard chuan Hotel Diablo ti ani ti apuanga me ni som pasaria he album a single masaber Hollywood War ti chu a release a me ni som thum pakhata El Diablo ti chu a release le a June ni saria I think I'm okay ti single chu a release le boka a album Hotel Diablo ti chu July ninga kumsang ni som pakwa a release ani ta a he album a single hunung ber non na omiu wild feature na Glass House ti chu a release le boka he album hi Billboard 200 chart ta pangana aron ni thayani. Acting lampo ati thei na thiam hlea ama chuan in pom cha lo ma se.
It's Machine Gun Kelly, an actor. No. That dude sucks.
Movie alawlan to na te lang sar zwal te chu Nerve, The Land, Punk's Dead, Viral te ani a. Bart Box a po khan alang ani.
That will happen soon. We are so fucking fucked. So fucking fucked.
Fanu anaya July ni som ni pathum kumsang ni pariata piang ani a aming chu keishi ani a anu chu Emma Cannon ani an in nei lawa anu nen hian ma se anin kar hi a che chuang lawa chian thatak angin an om to zo kani.
Years I've been waiting for a moment. Shed a lot of tears just to smile in the morning. Tell me could you love me? Tell me could you love me?
Asang hlea fidruk le inches le sang ani a kumsom pali ani atangin ta tu hi anei tan to ani anau pan lain tar mi tabun cha ka wangin alo mufia lo der to ani na ani masak ber chu card boy na ani a coffee angai na hlea a intam ma ma ala omzok hial thin concert a kal masak ber chu Backstreet Boys concert ani a chuta chuan meichhia ti auren lu to ka wang chuan alo luak to ani marijuana hi ni tin deuh tho azua aze plem lawa kumsang ni som pathuma ahla hit Wild Boy chungchang a soi khan zu in le marijuana zukte chu ahla a soina sa a ama hian addiction problem anei shimshima ala heng lam hi atam hle ama se offense te chu hetiang ti tur hian a fui ti na ani lo thule thil thalo hi midang hne na thlen tir ka du lawa keima a thil thalo chu ka addict nei hi ani ati